हमारे टेम्पल का मॉडल देखिए, कोणार्क। वेलकम टू द कोणार्क सन टेम्पल। और ये कुछ ऐसा मॉडल है दोस्तों। ये इसमें आप देख सकते हैं नेचुरल लुक देने का प्रयास किया गया है। ये कोणार्क सन टेम्पल का वो हिस्सा है, ये वाली टेम्पल जो गिर चुकी है पूरी तरीके से, लेकिन जो है इमेजिन करके हम लोगों ने बनाया है। और ये जो है अभी है, छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने सब एक एक चीज़ निर्माण किया है। आप लोग देखें, वीडियो को शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब भी करिएगा। और आगे भी अभी हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं जब बच्चे आएंगे कि वो कैसा प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। और यही नहीं, ये तो 6th ग्लॉक्सीनिया की ही बात थी, अदर क्लासेस की भी बात करूंगा। और स्कूल कौन सा है? सेंट जेवियर्स स्कूल, पंतनगर, गोंडा की बात हो रही है। मैं दोस्तों वहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ। अभी तक ये बात हम नहीं बताए थे यूट्यूब पर, लेकिन आज आप लोगों को ये भी मालूम चलेगा कि अदर क्लासेस में कैसा प्रोग्राम है। ये 7th ग्लॉक्सीनिया है, वो 6th ग्लॉक्सीनिया था। अब यहाँ पे देखिए इनका जो टॉपिक है वो है क्या टॉपिक? सस्टेनेबल सिटी। जैसे अगर आप ऐसे प्लान सिटी करेंगे तो लंबे समय तक हमारे रिसोर्सेज सेव रहेंगे। ठीक है, यहाँ पे सब रिसाइकल वाला सब मैटर है। अभी बच्चे आएंगे तो वो एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, लेकिन अभी शांति है इसलिए मैं कवर कर ले रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे बोर्ड देखिए कैसे डेकोरेट हुआ है। और बच्चों ने इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटी को प्रमोट किया है। और फिर थ्रो योर प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स वेस्ट हियर। अब ये मॉडल है बीच का, हॉस्पिटल वगैरह भी है। हाँ, प्लास्टिक पैरालिसिस प्लांट, मतलब प्लास्टिक को यूज़ किया गया, रीयूज़ किया। हाँ जी जी। और ये सोलर लाइट है। फ्री पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट, ये जो फ्यूचर में होने वाला है। ये था 7th ग्लॉक्सीनिया। ये क्या है मैम? अच्छा, इनका सर्वे है। इन लोगों ने जा जाकर जो सर्वे किया है आप देखेंगे एक एक करके। बड़ा ही मेहनत किया है बच्चों ने, चूँकि ईयर लॉन्ग प्रोजेक्ट था ना। दोस्तों ये 6th मैग्नोलिया है, जो मैग्नोलियन एम्पायर था। और मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, इनका है हम्पी। तो इनका बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से सारी चीज़ें बन चुकी है। इन लोगों का भी, हम लोगों में डेकोरेशन नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोगों का टेम्पल था ना, तो सीधे सीधे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट वर्क ज़्यादा है। मधुबनीपुरम टेम्पल, महाबलीपुरम टेम्पल। बच्चों ने देखे कितने मतलब गहराई से चीज़ों को बनाया है। बटर बॉल, फिर ये चीज़ें हैं। बोर्ड है 6th मैग्नोलिया का। ये 7th अलामेंडा है। और इनका भी 7th वालों का सबका है सस्टेनेबल सिटी। और बच्चों ने क्या ही शानदार डेकोरेट किया है, एक एक सिटी आप देखेंगे। और यहाँ पे उन लोगों ने प्लांटिंग भी की हुई है, कुछ गेहूं का पौधा और सारी चीज़ें हैं। अभी बच्चे आएंगे तो और डिटेल में बताने वाले हैं। 8th अलामेंडा। और यहाँ भी सस्टेनेबल सिटी है। यहाँ पे नहीं, यहाँ 1 डिस्ट्रिक्ट 1 प्रोडक्ट है। और यहाँ सबसे बड़ी बात है गोंडा है, मैजापुर चीनी मिल। ये गोंडा का सारा ही प्रोजेक्ट लगा हुआ है। दाल, चूँकि पल्सेज है ना, तो फूड प्रोसेस्ड दाल यहाँ का मेन है। प्लांट्स है, गाय वाय हैं, इंडियन बैंक, इलाहाबाद बैंक है, देवी पाटन टेम्पल है। गोंडा एंड बलरामपुर है, यानी कि सत्य स्मारक संस्थान दुल्हिनपुर, बलरामपुर शुगर मिल, राम मंदिर का प्रोजेक्टेशन। अब ये हम्पी का है दोस्तों। और ये बिटाला टेम्पल हम्पी, कितने ही मतलब गहराई से आप देखेंगे, कितनी एक एक शिद्दत से बच्चों ने बनाया है इसको। और इनका गाइडर था, ये गुरु जी हैं, क्लास टीचर हैं, जो इनके जो है गाइड किए हैं बच्चों को। The students of teachers and students of class 6th Gloxinia, we got an year-long project on World Heritage Site. Lots of World Heritage Sites are there in India. One of them is Konark Sun Temple. Class 6th got the temple theme, Konark Sun Temple, Hampi and more temples. And this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It tells that how important the history of India was, what was the development of the technology at that time, because it was not made on concrete and that type of mixture things. It was just locked by the iron and magnetic features students will tell. I just want to tell you the objective. They have done lots of research behind it, and by this project students will get to know that how the Indian history were there and what was the glorious, how glorious the historian were there. And it was the temple that scientifically used, because it used to tell the time at that time, and it has the that magnet were kept here, that sun god's idol was used to statue. It was not founded on the land, it was just in the air, and it was like closed by some British officers, because of they have filled it, stuffed it with sand and lots of dust, because they wanted to preserve it. And UNESCO, it is an organization of the world, UN, that works for preserving such things. It means all, like UNESCO's work is to make a mutual cultural understanding between other countries. So we have also, other countries have also, like Giza pyramids of and Indian or South UNESCO's are there. They just identify the sites and they do the funding and they take care of such things, so that human being and all of us get to know that how glorious our history was. And rest of the things our students will tell, like they have prepared different types of features, like its history, its timeline, and its structural, how it was made, people associated with this temple. So let's over to students. So firstly he will start, and then they will represent what they have prepared. Thank you.
Good morning parents, I am Branch, and today I am going to tell the important feature that you have to know before the journey. So the first thing is this big temple. If you ever have visited Konark Sun Temple, you will see there is no temple like this on there. So I want to tell you that it was destroyed and demolished. But our team and our classmates have analyzed it and get to know that something like this was the main temple. And the second thing that I want to tell, that is, I think so, imagination is the best thing in culmination. So firstly we have to get to know how the people were looking in Odisha. So I'm going to tell about the dressing sense of it. For men, they usually wear kurta, loose kurta with minimal printing on it, and dhoti. And women wear sari with red shirt. Thank you. And now I will tell about the timeline. What was the time and etc. things. So I will cover the important facts that were happening before 100 years and after 100 years. So the first fact is the rising of Eastern Ganga dynasty. And the second is the creation of Jagannath Puri.
Good morning everyone, my name is Abdul Razak, and today we are the students of class 6 Glaucinia, and we are here to tell the history of Konark Sun Temple. Now I am going to represent the history of Konark Sun. Konark Sun Temple is the temple that is situated in Odisha, and the king, the Narasimha I has made. Now my friend Aditi is going to tell the history of Odisha.
Good morning. I am Aditi of class 6 Glaucinia. I know history about Odisha. Odisha was known as Kalinga in ancient days. Another ancient name of this region was Utkal. It is widely known as of Lord Jagannath. Its first king was Kapilendra, won territories from his Muslim neighbors. It is the state in eastern India. It has a population of almost 42 million. Its famous food is dalma, and the famous dress of women is Odishi sari, and the men's famous traditional dress is dhoti and kurta. Its famous language is Oriya, which is also known as Odia. Thank you and have a peaceful day.
Now my friend Anuj is going to tell the history of Konark Sun Temple.
Good morning, my name is Abhijita. I study class 6. My topic is Konark Sun Temple. It marks of the Jain, the architecture and the sculpture of the painting. Thank you.
And my friend Ansh is
No, now
the facts of the Konark Sun Temple.
Good morning, I am Radhika Chaudhary. I am going to tell you about features of Konark Sun Temple. As you know, the Konark Sun Temple.
speak louder, please.
As you know, the Konark Sun Temple is built in 2500 CE. The is UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Konark Sun Temple is famous for its wreaths. So let's know about it. The Konark Sun Temple have 24 wheels, but 2 of them also work as a clock. You can see the time in daytime by the using of sunlight and the night by the moonlight. So the major and minor spokes on them divide 24 hours into 1.5 hour each, and the large bead on the side that represents minutes. Each bead is equals to 3 minutes. Unlike a modern clock, this works as anti-clock. It is an amazing. So let's know.
Parents, my name is David Zakaria. Today I am going to tell you some points about the importance and significance of Konark Sun Temple. It has around 24 wheels, with each decorated by symbolic designs of the people of that time. It describes the life of the ancient people, which we later discovered that it is an important source of the history of that people. Now I am going to call Athar for more information.
Greeting of the day. I am Athar Singh and today I am going to tell you about the importance and significance of Konark Sun Temple. The Konark Sun Temple is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is famous for its art, architecture and history. The temple fell into disuse after it was desecrated by the envoy of the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Significance. The Konark Sun Temple is a monumental example for its personification and divinity. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now, my friend Maya will play.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shadi Singh. I am going to share with you about the importance and significance of the Konark Sun Temple. The Konark Sun Temple was a heritage site and a major pilgrimage site that is important for Hindus, including many regions. Architecture. The temple is a masterpiece of Kalinga architecture representing Pinnacle, the world's most stunning and religious monument. Sun worship. The temple has the spread of the world, Surya, the sun god traveling from eastern India. Sun worship. The sun god represents the pinnacle of the astronomical significance of Konark Sun Temple. Significance. The Varthi that is important for Hindus.
My name is Anna Tripathi, and as we know that India is full of temples that are dedicated to some gods like Shiva, Vishnu and to name a few. But did you know that there are a handful of temples that are dedicated to the god Sun or Surya? So today we have represented here Konark Sun Temple that is dedicated to the sun god. So today I am going to tell about some facts, features and etc. importance and etc. of Konark Sun. So let's start. So as you can see that this is the main entrance and the sun rays falls on the main entrance at first, and in the second is the wheels. Wheels are these iconic wheels also be used as sundials, and then the Sanskrit word. Is used from the Sanskrit word which is made from 2 words of Sanskrit. Kona means corner and Ark means sun. And now I am going to tell you about this destroyed part of the temple. So it was destroyed by the inventions of, there was a pillar here, but we have not made it because it was shifted to the Jagannath Puri. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am here to tell you about the importance and significance of Konark Sun Temple. UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Konark Sun Temple is a UNESCO World Heritage Site comprising its cultural and architectural significance. Architectural marvel. The temple is a exemplary example of Odishan architecture.
Good morning everyone. I'm Soumya of 6 Block C and I stand to tell you all some information about Konark Sun Temple. First of all, what is Konark Sun Temple? The Konark Sun Temple is a World UNESCO Heritage Site. It is dedicated to the Hindus sun god or Surya. It is also known for its architects, facts, features, people, etc. Now I want to tell you all the associated peoples of Konark Sun Temple. First, European Marines. The temple is used as a navigation landmark by sailing to Calcutta. Second, Muslim armies. The temple has snapped multiple times by in 15th and 17th centuries. Next, Archaeological Service of India, the organization that has been maintaining the temple since 1939 CE. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. My name is Sakshi. I am going
Speak louder.
Associated Temple. The Konark Temple is associated with the Eastern Ganga dynasty who built Eastern Ganga dynasty. The builder of the Konark Temple is National Mahadeva Festival. The architecture Vishnu Mangalana. Vishnu Mangalana is the chief architecture of the Konark Temple.
I am the student of class 6 I am going to tell some facts and features about the Konark Temple. So there are 7 houses in the Konark Temple. So the name of Konark Temple houses are Gayatri, Brihati, Urshi.
Next. Yes, what you have prepared? Speak loud.
The temple built by the king Narasimha. My name is Mike. I study class from Here are some facts and features about Konark Temple. The Konark Temple is located in Odisha, about 35 kilometers northeast in Odisha, India.
Just speak. Speak louder, beta. Okay. Say good morning and start what you have prepared. Speak louder. Silent students.
My friend will tell our location and production.
What you will tell your friends, so they have prepared. Huh? Yes.
My name is Sansin of 6 blocks. May I tell you where is Konark Temple located?
Huh.
The Konark Temple is located in the village of Konark on the Bay of Bengal coast. It is one of the most famous private sanctuaries in Europe. It is about 35 kilometers in northeast of Puri, district and around 65 kilometers from the district.
You, what you have prepared? Speak louder, beta.
So I heard about the importance and significance of Konark. The Sun Temple is situated at Konark in Odisha. It was built by the King Narasimha Deva first in the 13th century. The Sun Temple shows the chariot of the sun god on curved horses, which representing days of 7. There are 2 rows, royal wheels, which representing
Yes, please.
time, unity, justice, perfection, and competence.
Okay.
One more thing that I forgot to tell you, that is there were 12 pairs of wheels in Konark Temple, and it is designed like a rath or chariot, and there were 7 horses. And one more important thing, that is this. This is a magnet. This is a magnet of weight 52 tons and is equal to 1000 kg. And I have to tell that
Inside.
ancient time, the idol of the sun god used to float in the air, and because of this magnet, and by this magnet, ships attracts towards the Konark Temple. Thank you.
Okay.
We have analyzed it and get to know that the temple were looking like this or something. So if the real image ever you got, don't think that this was like this and that.
Of this location, the Konark Temple is situated in Odisha, in the coast of Bay of Bengal, near the city Puri, and it is a pilgrim of Hindus for the centuries. Thank you.
पूरा गोंडा शहर एक ही में है। सेंट जेवियर्स हो गया, चौपाल सागर, सेंट जेवियर्स, SCPM, फिर सेंट थॉमस और फिर DM ऑफिस, फिर अंबेडकर चौराहा और फिर उधर जो है सिंचाई विभाग, हाँ LBS चौराहा, और ये यहाँ पे देखिए आप DM ऑफिस हुआ, फिर ये गुरु नानक चौक हो गया,
निकलते हुए झूलेलाल चौराहा से
होते हुए आप जो है सीधे जो है बलरामपुर निकल जाएंगे, दुखरनाथ बीमार्ट, ये रेलवे ओवरब्रिज,
या भी हमारे रोड पर बैठी हुई दिख जाती
हाँ
है।
हाँ इससे सबसे बढ़िया ये चीज़ है कि गाय रोड पे मिलती है बैठी हुई, क्या बात है।